This room could be haunted, a vision to the blind. Shadows dance around perfectly, blurring up the lines. Hallucinations start to intertwine. I open my eyes. Her face lingers on the walls. She's stuck on rewind in my mind. Her face lingers on the walls. She's stuck on rewind in my mind. I try to move on, but the past won't leave my head. Her face lingers on the walls. She's stuck on rewind.